bilang patuloy na rin sunod sa Canada, kay Pwede ang buwan sa Magkaituot, kay Pwede Choro ang buwan sa Dola ng Soko ang W, Isolangan ko, Likan ko, Nanalan ko, Nanganganiyay ko, o sa mga kaibigan taos. Wow, ito kaya dadalapan ng Maliang government, siya o Mumutso. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to say a few words in our mother tongue. Today is a very happy and important occasion. I think the room and the way you all look reflects that happy moment. You all look so pretty and handsome in the uniforms. And I see a lot of familiar, friendly faces. I had the opportunity of meeting our good minister senator from Australia yesterday, from the very beautiful southern island of Australia, Tasmania. I've always dreamt of visiting that island because of its environmental beauty. I'm very honored to be your guest speaker, and I thank all of you, the FFA Director General, all of you for giving me the opportunity. I was just sworn in last month. I think you can say I'm still learning the ropes of being the President of the nation, but fortunately being a public servant for many, many years in different capacities, and being a member of Congress for about 8 years, also gave me the opportunity to be able to handle the job of the President of the nation. Very monumental responsibility, but being a public servant of our nation has made the job a lot more easier. I thank you all. I joined the Governor in welcoming all of you. I will say Excellency in our greetings to all of you. Ali, Yogwe, Taloba, Pula. I was in Fiji for 4 years, and Pula to all of you are brothers and sisters from Fiji. And Fiorana, of course, Fiorana, especially to our chair of the FFC, Minister Tutay Tura. I want to respect and recognize our Governor of Gombe State, and for the welcoming remarks, Governor. Honorable Ministers, FFA Director General, WCPFC Executive Director, PIM Secretary General, and representatives of our regional organizations, members of the Diplomatic Corps, officials, representatives of civil society and private sector, ladies and gentlemen. You know, as a member of our Congress of the Federated States of Micronesia and being the chairman of the Resources and Management Committee, having oversight on fisheries, I really do appreciate the complexity of this very sector. And I want to say this morning how proud I am to see the very hardworking ministers and people, all the folks who are here in this room, in this country, for the work that you have done that has made the region much more unified. And I want to say those words off the formal speech that is being prepared for me this morning. I really, truly am proud of the work that you do. Having been in the Pacific, working in our embassy in Fiji over the years, I've seen what regional cooperation really does in terms of highlighting the important issues that are critical to our Pacific Island nations and our friends who have joined us this morning. I joined Governor Peterson in welcoming all of you to our state, the capital of our nation, the seat of our nation here in Panuelo. I was informed that this is the first meeting of FFC ministers in the FSM since the FFC was first established in 2004 by the Pacific Island leaders. In this respect, it is my sincere pleasure to welcome all of you to Bombay for the 16th FFC meeting. For those of you who are arriving in Bombay and FSM for the first time, welcome to our paradise. I encourage you to visit our World Heritage Site, the ancient city of Panuelo, which was built centuries ago. I believe it reminds us of our shared responsibility to leave an enduring legacy in cultural continuity, to an enduring legacy in our shared tuna resources. And for those of you who frequently visit Bombay and the FSM, welcome back to your second home. And I thank you for visiting us again. Honorable Ministers, I know that your agenda this week includes several issues of significance and importance to our region. I commend you for your leadership in forging the new FFA strategic plan, and for the period 20-25 that was referred to in previous speakers, a plan honed by our region as a roadmap to chart our collective way into the future. I take this opportunity now to extend my sincere congratulations to FFA, Dr. Mani, as we celebrate its 40th anniversary. This is 40 years of cooperation among FFA members that has demonstrated to us repeatedly over the years that our collective cooperation is the foundation of our strength and our solidarity. The FSM has demonstrated dedication to tackling illegal, unreported, and unregulated or IUU fishing through the technology for tuna transparency of T3. The T3 challenge, which plans to use electronic monitoring to ensure 100% transparency in our fishery sector by 2023. RMI's challenge for an IUU-free Pacific and ongoing initiative for adoption of an onboard electronic monitoring are commendable and fully supported. As large ocean states with stewardship of global significance tuna resources underpinning our island livelihoods, we must collectively address these regionally important matters with a sense of urgency. Finally, I note that the parties to our agreement, especially the vessel day scheme, have been significantly important to the increase in control and financial benefits that FSM and DNA members have derived from the shared tuna purseine fishery. As a long-time observer of regional developments, my view is that the success of DNA is strengthened by the overall regional support received through the FFA. I urge that this close and mutually supportive relationship be nurtured and continued. As chair of the FFC for the next year, the FSM will work to support this effective working relationship and ensure that the integrity of our stance on fisheries management, measures, and platforms remain strong and uncompromised. Honorable Ministers, officials, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say that regional solidarity has served us well. I believe it will continue to be the core of our strength as small islands in our vast ocean. I cannot overemphasize how critical it is to keep our fisheries resources sustainable. Some of the earlier speakers mentioned about climate change. We, all the Pacific Island countries, have made climate change this very important issue as a very important one in the past, in the present, and will continue to be very strong into the future. I say again how proud I am to see all of you coming together here in Bombay, the capital of our Federated States of Micronesia, our nation, and commend you for the work you've done over the years. I want to say that we want to avoid the tragedy of the commons, and I think the approach of the FFA and our regional organizations over the years have been very good, that we do conservation and management of our resources in a collective manner for the good of our citizens throughout the big Pacific region. So, honorable ministers, I wish you well in your deliberations here as FFC ministers and in your subsequent meeting as fisheries and ministers. The fisheries sector has always been of particular importance and interest in the region, and I have no doubt that you will discharge your responsibilities of policy oversight to the best of your ability with both principled and empathetic consideration for the welfare of our people and the people around the world. I wish you best and success in your deliberations, and now I have the honor and privilege to officially declare the 16th Ministerial meeting of the Forum Fisheries Committee open. Thank you very much, and salamat.
Thank you, Mr. President, for the official opening and your